already done my foundation and concealer off camera, so I'm going to be jumping straight into eyeshadow. I'm taking the Kat Von D Shade and Light palette, and I'm taking the coolest contour shade from the palette and placing that color into my crease. Next, I'm going to be taking the darkest shade from the Shade and Light palette and placing that in my outer corner and inner corner. Okay, so next I'm just going to be blending out those edges with a fluffy brush. To deepen up that outer and inner corner, I'm going to be taking the shade Cyprus Umber from my Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. It's this really dark chocolatey brown, and I'm applying that with the same brush that we used with that darker brown color. I'm just blending those edges again. So next, I'm going to be taking the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer and placing that in the center of my lid to start to create a halo eye. Next, I'm just going to be going back and blend out the edges of that concealer so it blends more nicely with the outer corners. For the lid color, I'm going to be taking this champagne-y color from my CoverGirl True Naked Jewels palette, and I'm just going to be applying that with my finger. Next, I'm just going to be applying some concealer under my eyes. For my lower lash line, I'm going to be going back to that original bronzy color that I used in the crease from my Shade and Light palette. So for eyeliner, I'm taking this black liner from Revlon, the ColorStay Black Pencil Liner. So I've just done my base off camera. I did some contour, blush, and highlight. If you guys are interested in seeing how I do my base, then let me know in the comments down below. But moving on to lips, I'm going to be taking my lip liner, my Essence lip liner in the shade 11 in the Nude, and I'm just going to be lining my lips with it. Next, I'm going in with my Wet n Wild Mega Last Catsuit Liquid Catsuit lipstick in the shade Nudie Patootie. Finally, I'm going to be placing a little bit of some Stila Stay All Day liquid lipstick in the shade Belissima, and this is a really white-based lipstick, so I'm just going to be placing a little bit on the center of my lips and blending it outwards. So here's the final result. As you guys can see, I applied my lipstick, my contour, my blush, and everything. So I'm really happy with the result of how the lashes look with this makeup look right here, they just make such a big difference and they really make your eyes stand out so much more. Thank you so much for watching, and as per usual, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.